In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your own picture on your Gmail background. This simple customization can make a big difference in personalizing your email experience, giving it a personal touch that reflects your style or mood. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll need to open Gmail on your computer. It's important to note that this customization feature is not available on the mobile app, so make sure you're using a web browser on your desktop or laptop. Once Gmail is loaded, your next step is to find the settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Give it a click. Upon clicking the gear icon, a drop-down menu appears, showing the quick settings. In this list, you'll want to focus your attention on the section labeled Themes. You'll see an option nearby that reads View All. Clicking this will open up the full range of themes available for your Gmail background. This is where the real fun begins. In the theme window, direct your eyes to the bottom left corner where you'll see an option labeled My Photos. Click on it. This is your gateway to personalizing your Gmail by choosing any picture you've saved in your Google Photos. Now, here comes an important part. You'll need to select the specific album that contains the photo you want to use as your Gmail background. Take your time to browse through your albums, and once you locate the perfect image, go ahead and select it. After selecting your desired photo, you'll see an option to either insert or select. Clicking this option will prompt Gmail to apply the image, positioning it as your background theme. You're almost there, just one more step to make it official. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This will lock in your new background choice, transforming your Gmail into a more personalized space that welcomes you every time you check your emails. It's a small but impactful change, making your email environment more enjoyable and tailored to your personal taste. And there you have it, a simple way to bring a bit of your world into your Gmail interface. Whether you choose a serene landscape, a memorable family photo, or a snapshot of your favorite pet, adding your own picture as a Gmail background not only enhances the look, but also makes your email experience uniquely yours. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy your new Gmail vibe.